Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Thank you so much for clicking on my channel. If you have not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Just click that button, and if you want notifications, just click the bell. It does not cost anything to subscribe. You're going to need one sign from Dollar Tree, and this one I picked up yesterday. And it says, "Love is all you need," and it has the cute little red truck. You're going to need some 10-inch deco mesh, and you're going to need 3 different colors of ribbon, some floral stem wire, your scissors, and in the description box below, I will leave you a materials list. For my ribbons, I used one that was 1.5 inch in width and 2 that were 2.5 inch in width. And you're going to want to just take your ribbons and just place one on top of the other and just pinch it tightly in your hand. Just leave a tail and then let out some of your ribbon. I know a lot of people say they have trouble tying bows, but this is the easiest bow, guys. Just slide the ribbon down in your hand. Just do not let the ribbon get like twisted and twisted up. Try to keep it straight. So slide your hand down the ribbon and make a loop. Don't worry about twisting, making sure it's on this side or that side. Just let out more ribbon, slide your hand down the ribbon, make a loop. Now the thing that you want to pay attention to is making your loops the same size on each side. See, I had to let out a little bit more because the one on the right wasn't hardly as big. So just slide your hand down the ribbon, make a loop, and compare it to the first loop. Same steps on each side. Very simple. And this does have, the ribbon does have wire in it. Once you have the bow the size you like, you're going to let out some tails and cut your ribbon at a slant or dovetail it. And then you'll want some floral stem wire close by or a pipe cleaner, and wrap your wire tightly around the center of your bow and leave your wires long. And then you're ready to fluff your bow. Make sure you separate each loop and fluff it. And if it's on the wrong side, just flip it over thin. It's very easy to rotate your ribbon over if it gets on the wrong side. And this will make a full bow. So just separate each loop and just fluff it. If you need to, kind of tuck your hand in it and push out the loop. As long as you have that wire tight, it's not going anywhere, so you can pull and tug and shape your bow. And then don't forget to trim your ends. I cut a strip of the 10-inch deco mesh, and I cut it about 3.5 feet long, and I just found the center of the deco mesh, and I am just going to wire it onto the little sign. Now do not cut the twine off of your sign because I used mine to hang up the wreath, and so just use a piece of floral stem wire to attach your deco mesh, and you can always go back and trim off the extra wire at the end. Next, you are ready to add your bow, so I'm going to take one of my wires, thread it through the hole, and then I'm threading it also through the 10-inch deco mesh, and I'm going to go to the back and give the wires a few twists. Now, if you want to add tails, you can just give it a twist and then add your tails or streamers in that wire, so don't cut it off. Now, I hung it up, and my daughter, she likes it just like this, but I decided I wanted some tails hanging down or streamers hanging down. So I did add some streamers. I just cut the strips of ribbon at different lengths so that they would hang down below the sign, but this is optional. So I want you to let me know, do you like it better with streamers or without streamers? Now my daughter said no streamers. She does not like it with the streamers. So that's why I just took the streamers and I just took a little piece of floral stem wire and I just wrapped it around the twine. That way, if I decide I don't like the streamers, I can just take it off really easy. I did add some red 6-inch deco mesh to the streamers because I didn't have any more 10-inch, so I just added some 6-inch deco mesh. But you can use your scrap deco mesh, because it doesn't take a whole lot for this door hanger, so use what you have. Don't go out and buy new. Another good thing about this door hanger is you're not using any hot glue, so if you decide you want to change it up, you can just take it apart and use it on a different craft project. The ribbon that's red and white with the hearts did come from Dollar Tree, and the deco mesh, the 6-inch, came from Dollar Tree, but the other 2 ribbons came from Sam's Club. And so here I'm just taking my streamers and I'm just going to put a little piece of wire around them. Just use some scrap wire, you don't have to use a whole piece, and give it a few twists around the streamers. Make sure you found the center of your ribbon before you add your wire. I wired my streamers onto the twine, but if I was doing this and going to leave it, I would wire the streamers in with the big bow. I would use that wire. Okay guys, and here's how it looks with the streamers. So let me know which one you prefer. Thank you so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and share.